Hello, I'm John from NYC. Welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see if this 3500 watt stove from iactive. Let's find out. And we're gonna test it with the propane gas today. In order for you to do that, you need to have an all-in valve. Let's see how much this thing weighs. Propane gas weighs 874 grams. Guess we'll test it out later. How much oil fuel we have used. First, you have to plug this in. Next, we gotta see how much fuel is gonna use to boil approximately 16 ounces of water, 500 milliliter. First, I need to turn this on, turn the gas on a little bit. Fire is really high. Jesus. Let's turn up the fire a little bit higher, I guess. I don't think it's gonna take too long since the fire is so high. Meanwhile, I'm gonna go through away this bottle. A little higher. For some reason, I do not want to turn this on to the max, because you know this fire is already too high. Jesus. So, if you guys ever going to use this stove with the propane, remember fire comes much higher than regular butane or the isobutane. So turn it on very little bit and adjust the flame as you need it. Jesus, this thing is really powerful. I don't know if you can see in the cam, but I can see the steam coming up a little bit already. This thing is amazing. So next time whenever I go a camping trip or the fishing trip, I think I will test all of them, see how long it's gonna take to boil of water or how long it's gonna take to cook something. This thing is amazing though. Also, recently I have ordered a portable stove, not the camping type, but the square one, which I'm gonna do the video on the next. That's supposedly use the butane gas, the skinny Asian butane gas, but also it comes with the propane adapter, which you can use the propane gas. I don't know if you can see on the camera, but there's a lot of steam coming out. This thing is boiling really fast. There's the you can see it. There's the rolling bubble. Jesus, this thing is very powerful. I'm gonna shut it off now. Wow. There's another thing you want to be careful of. I'm going to put this up over there for later. I don't know, you see it? Line, I don't know if you can see it. Line has been frozen over here. So you guys want to be careful with that. Also, over here at the bottom of the leg is pretty warm. It's not cold. The fire is really that high. Oh, damn, this thing is cold. I'm gonna undo this, but there's a lot of smell of the gas. By the way, every time when you undo the propane to the adapter, you will smell a little bit of the gas and you will leak out. You have to understand that. Make sure or you don't do that around the open flame. Now, undo the little valve. Once you do that, oh, this thing's very cold. Once you undo that, you want to open the gas line here. You want to open it so whatever the gas is in between, you want to let that out. Okay, and let's find out how much it weighs after that. $866. It use about 12 grams of fuel. All right, that concludes my video. Next time I'll do another video with another stuff. Okay, thanks. Bye.